Hello everyone, welcome back to Audiology with Khwaja. In this video, we'll see about how to register additional qualification with RCI. Before getting into the video, I would like to clarify a common doubt we have. Should I register bachelor's before I could apply for master's? The document required for the registration of additional qualification will help us understand this doubt. The first thing that we need to provide is the previous registration certificate, which means we will only have this if we have registered our bachelor's. So we will never be able to directly register our master's, but first we have to register the bachelor's, get an RCI certificate, and then only you can do an additional qualification registration. Okay. So what are the documents required for additional qualification registration? Number one is your passport size photo. Number two is your authentication certificate from the college. Number three is your previous registration certificate, which you have registered with the RCI for the bachelor's. The fourth one will be your final year semester mark sheet or your consolidated mark sheet. The final one is your degree certificate for the master's. With these five documents, you may enter into the login portal. One thing to be noticed is that all these documents, all five documents, has to be less than 200 KB. Let's get into the video. People who are already following me know how to log in into the portal. So we are starting from the dashboard. Now we will select to the online application, and when we select an online application, we are going to get two options. It may differ according to your specific profile. Here we are selecting application form for additional qualification. It will open up a new window. Sometimes if your browser has a restriction opening new window, this will not be moving to the next level. So you might have to check with your browser that you are allowing to open new window. So once the new window has opened, this is our application form. It will already contain some information which we have entered while registering for the bachelor's. So in this scenario, you could see that the name, candidate name is mentioned, the candidate registration number, even the address is already mentioned. So the first thing which we need to do is to take a current passport size photograph, and we will upload it first. When we try to upload, it is going to ask us to upload. You will choose the file from your computer and then enter the numbers given below, and then you will submit it. Once we have submitted, you can notice that our passport size photo has been updated. So we'll slowly scroll down. If we scroll down, all these data are already available with the RCI, so they have filled already. The fourth one is the important, the educational qualification. This is where we are going to enter. When we start with the registration, in the fifth column, you're going to find four different information to be entered. The first one is, what is your additional qualification, which means, are you an audiologist or a psychologist or any other hearing related professional, which is already recognized by RCI. So we are choosing audiologist and speech therapist. The second thing that will be asked for is the code number. For example, many of the colleges have degrees like Masters in Audiology and Speech Language Pathology, called as MASLP, or sometimes it is called as MSc Audiology and Speech Language Pathology. On the other side, you will also have Masters in Audiology, or sometimes it is also called MSc Audiology. To know which one you have to select, please get into your degree certificate. There it will be written exactly what degree you have got. Have you got Masters in Audiology or it is MSc Audiology? So whatever mentioned in your degree certificate, you will select it in this select code number, which we have not shown here. Then we will get into the third one, which is which institute did you do your Masters. So there are a list of colleges which are recognized by RCI for master's program. You have to select whichever college you belong to. And for the convenient, it is alphabetically ordered. So then finally, you will choose your year of passing. And now we are coming to our document uploading place. So here, as I said earlier, we need 4 documents to be uploaded. The first one being authentication letter. Second is your previous registration certificate or the RCI certificate that you have already have with you. Then the rehabilitation qualification mark sheet, which is your final semester mark sheet or consolidated mark sheet. The fourth one is your rehabilitation qualification certificate, which is your degree certificate for masters. All these things has to be below 200 KB, otherwise it is not going to be uploaded. It's going to give you an error. Once you have selected and you have uploaded everything, it is going to show you uploaded successfully. It is going to give a tick mark here, and then you will accept the terms and the condition, and now you will submit. Once you submit, it is going to take you to the payment page. In the payment page, it will show you what is the amount that you need to pay, and it will also show your details. Now we will press pay fee. It will take you to the payment page again. One thing to be noted is you have approximately 14 minutes to complete this transaction. If you are not able to complete this transaction in 14 minutes, the payment is going to be failed. Then, as we already discussed in the previous video, we have to go to a failed payment section from the dashboard and complete the transaction. You can choose credit card or debit card, or you can do net banking. From our experience, currently we are finding difficulty from debit card or credit card, and we tried with net banking and it succeeded. So once our payment is done, we are going to have an acknowledgement copy where it is going to have all the details about whatever we have entered. So the 6, 7, 8 is exactly what we have entered, and 1 to 5 is already with RCI when we applied for bachelor's. It is also going to mention our payment details, and for reference purpose, please press click to print and save a PDF or take a print with you. It is also to be noted that it is mentioned the certificate, the e-registration certificate, will be issued within 30 working days, provided the documents uploaded in respect of the training institute and rehabilitation qualification are approved by the council. So there is no need for sending any documents physically. Everything will be done online, and you will also be getting an e-certificate. No physical certificate will be sent to you through postal. Thank you.